Little fridges? Ever wonder how they're made? It's pretty cool, actually. These compact wonders are more than just small versions of regular fridges. They have their own unique journey from raw materials to the final product. We're going to go on a fascinating trip through the world of mini fridge manufacturing. We'll see how a mini fridge is made. From the initial design to the final assembly, every step is crucial. From start to finish, it's a journey. A journey that involves precision, technology, and a lot of teamwork. Let's get started. These small refrigerators are everywhere. Dorm, office, even your room. They kept our drinks cold and our snacks fresh. But how do they get made? It's a process. A lot of steps. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality. But we're going to break it down. We'll look at the design phase, the selection of materials, the assembly line, and the final quality checks. Step by step. Ready? Let's go. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound appreciation for these small but mighty appliances. Building the box is a fascinating process. We transform raw sheet metal into a cool cube. It all begins with a large piece of metal, which is the foundation of our fridge. This metal will form the body of the refrigerator. Precision machines cut the metal into the required shapes. These machines then bend the metal sheets into the desired shape, creating the basic structure. As the metal takes shape, it starts to resemble a refrigerator. But it's not just about the outer shell. Insulation is added next. This step is crucial as it helps maintain the cold temperature inside the fridge. The insulation material is carefully cut to fit perfectly within the metal frame. Workers then glue the insulation in place, ensuring it stays secure and effective. The door of the refrigerator is made separately. It includes a special seal. This seal is essential as it prevents cold air from escaping, maintaining the fridge's efficiency. The seal undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it is airtight and effective. An airtight seal is vital for the refrigerator's performance, keeping your food fresh and cool. Putting it all together. Inside a mini fridge factory. Here, precision and teamwork come together to create a product that keeps your food and drinks cool. Now, it's time to put it together. Workers add the compressor. This is the heart of the fridge. The compressor is crucial because it circulates the refrigerant, which absorbs and releases heat to create the cooling effect. It makes the cold air. Without it, the fridge wouldn't be able to keep your items cold. They add the cooling fins. These fins are essential for dissipating heat and ensuring the fridge operates efficiently. These help spread the cold air around. They connect the thermostat. The thermostat is a key component that regulates the temperature inside the fridge. This lets you control the temperature. They add shelves and a door handle. These final touches make the fridge functional and user-friendly. Now it's starting to look like a real fridge. Each step in the assembly process is vital to ensure the mini fridge works perfectly and meets quality standards. Checking for chills, making sure your fridge works. Before it leaves the factory, it's tested. They plug it in and they make sure it gets cold. They check for leaks. Every fridge gets tested. This is important. They want to make sure it works perfectly. Only the best fridges pass the test. They're perfect. Get your refrigerator ready to go. Now it's time to pack it up. They put it in a box and add foam padding. This protects it during shipping. They tape the box shut and put a label on it. Now it's ready to go. The fridge is loaded onto a truck and it's on its way to a store near you. Thanks for watching. So that's how it's done, from a sheet of metal to your dorm room. Now you know how mini fridges are made. Thanks for watching AZ Technology Channel. We'll see you next time. Wishing you happiness and success in life. Thank you and see you again.